Welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to create a simple Windows Forms application using PowerShell, complete with a title for our form. In this session, we will learn how to load the Windows Forms assembly, create a form, set its title, and display it. Let's get started. First, we need to load the System.Windows.Forms assembly. This is essential for accessing the GUI components. We create the form using new object System.Windows.Forms.form. Our window is now ready for customization. Now let's give our form a title so that users know what the application is about. In this line, we set the title of the form with anything you like. Titles enhance user experience by providing context. Finally, it's time to display our form. The command show dialog makes our form visible and waits for it to be closed. Let's see how this works in action. Let's review the complete code snippet we've developed. Now let's execute the code to see our form in action. Watch as the window appears with our specified title. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Windows Forms application in PowerShell with a custom title. You can expand on this by adding buttons, text fields, and more to further enhance your GUI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more PowerShell tutorials. Happy coding!